If always on display in your Samsung phone is turning off like this one, and if you want the always on display to be always on, then what you do is go to settings here, go to this option lock screen and AOD, and tap on this option always on display, and here there is an option when to show. Open it and you can select always if you want always on display to be on always. The other thing that you have to do is you have to again go to settings here, go to this option security and privacy, go to this option more security settings, go to device admin apps, and here make sure that only find my device is enabled, whereas other features like link to Windows, Outlook device policy, or anything else whatever is present here should be disabled. Now one thing you remember is if you keep always on display on every time, then the charge of your battery might deplete faster.